Trixie, Trixie! Taller! They are both T. Trixie, taller! Trixie! 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 Taller! She show her teeth, but Trixie don't care. Alan, I'm so happy. Thank you. Trixie! Ah, you're very brave, Taller, ha? Honey. Trixie! Look at the ear. Taller. Taller, you become very shorter. Si Taller. Taller.
Tall.
That?
She is taller and she has a bigger leg.
She will grow more?
Ah, yes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I would like you to meet our new family member, Trixie. Trixie, 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 Trixie. Is a Belgian Malinois and a female. We just got today. Yes, just you saw a video. It when Kirsten was pulling her. That's the time she arrived, around 2 p.m. and this afternoon. And right now I put her out because she wanted to pee. It's already 5:30 in the afternoon right now. So 3 hours and a half. So, or maybe close to 4 hours since she arrived here in the farm. But she is already very, very curious. She's very, very kind dog. She already loved me and Christian. She learned fast, and I think it's obvious that the previous owner started to train her. She is only 7 months old. And now maybe my video is very shaky. She is pulling me. She explore everywhere. Trixie. So the previous owner named her Trixie, so we follow her name, and she know very well her name. She is 7 months old, but Trixie, you're turning me around. Turn. She no. She's very interested to the baby goat. No. They are part of the family, the goats. Ah, she's pulling me. She's pulling me hard. Explore, explore, explore. We are going to the gate now. She is interested for the goats. Curious, curious, curious. And all the goats. It's funny, all the goats also are watching her. Trixie, that's our big family there. Look at the faces of all the goats. I'm already done feeding them for their dinner. Trixie, what can you say? We have a big family. She sits down watching them. Trixie. She already know how to knock the door if she want to poop outside, because since she arrived, we leave her inside the house. And but after I feed the goats, I come back there around 5. She's already knocking the door because she want to pee and to poop. It's very good. It's good that she know already, and she know how to sit down when you tell her to sit. Look at that ear, very beautiful ear, and tail, and the legs are big, and she's only 7 months old. We are very happy. Christian and I were very happy to have her. And you know, for those who follow our old videos, you know that we missed so much our German Shepherd and our Border Collie. We lost them when we were already here in the farm. So now we are happy to have Trixie again as an additional member for our other dog named Toller. Now the dog that we named Toller because she is a daughter of our Border Collie, and then she have another sibling which is very short like the mother, so we called them Shorter and Taller. But now the Taller is now very short compared to Trixie. What are you doing, Trixie? Maybe you get an ant. Let's move. Up, Trixie. Stand up now. What did you get on your foot? Back to the lawn. Pull, pull, pull. Tor, tor, tor. We are very happy because she is very kind, like or maybe not really exactly, but oh no, not with the fence, not you will learn the electric fence later on by yourself. Not with me because I'm very afraid. And she is very kind, like Lulu, our German Shepherd before. But of course we can never compare. They have sure different. Trixie is Trixie, Lulu was Lulu, and we are sure we will be very happy with Trixie also because with her attitude. No. Christian is coming, and she's watching Christian. The goat met Christian while the Trixie would like to go to them. It's feeding time for the baby goat with the bottle, with the milk and the bottle, because that's the goat that the mother did not breastfeed him. Look at Trixie, very interested to them. Agay, Trixie, agay. Pull, pull, pull. No, 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 no. She is strong. Let's go, not to the goat. But I hope she will not eat. No, 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 no. Goat's manure, because there's a lot of goat's manure here on the lawn. Because we leave the goats free here also to do the maintenance for the lawn, for the grass. And the view is not very green because it's sunset now. And she sit down watching them. And the goat, that's always the habit of the goat. Sometimes he will meet Christian until on the house and then he will never come back without following Christian back to the goat house. Trixie is more stronger when she saw the goat starting to walk. Trixie, let's go to Christian. Okay. Now I'm running, Trixie. You are very hurry. Good night, goat.
Happy.
Did you see that? She already loves us in just few hours. She already like us.
It's interesting, huh?
And would you like her? Oh, my arm. So now it's Christian who is bringing her. Tolar did not go out. She don't pee.
Wet.
Tor. Memorize each stone. She's very happy to be outside. Trixie! She hide now on your back. Where is it now? You did not find the insect?